Hi, I'm here today to tell you how I organise my resources when I'm teaching a new Phase 2 GPC in reception. The first thing I'm going to do is print out my overview and templates for the 5 weeks of teaching. This is really helpful because it reminds me what I need to get ready and what I'm doing in each aspect of the lesson. And for the teacher-led blending, I can see that I'm going to need those large grapheme cards. For the independent reading, I'm going to need the word cards. For spelling, I'm going to need the grapheme cards, and I'm going to need my tricky word cards too. Right, let's look at the lesson plan. Right, my first lesson is zebra. So I'm going to need the large grapheme card to teach that. I'm also teaching buzz in this lesson. So I need those 2 large grapheme cards, and I'm also going to need the picture card for what's in the box. This matches my mnemonic, setting our children up for success. I'm also going to need my quick review shuffle time cards, which I have in small because they're easier to handle. Brilliant. I'm going to have the large grapheme cards for my review, the GPCs I'm reinforcing from the subsequent lessons. So I've got those there. Good. So where are we next? Teacher-led blending. All the words for review and new will need the large grapheme cards for me to make them. So I'm going to need all of these friends. And these. And these to make the words. What's the next thing I'm going to do? Oh, tricky words. Tricky word pack. I need, they're going to be at the end, aren't they? Has, his, her, and go. I'm also going to need my independent words. So those word cards I've got in my pack, all nice and labelled. They're going to be part of my independent reading. And I need the words can and kick. I will be teaching those with the card facing this side with the dots and dashes to help children identify that digraph for k. Finally, I'm going to need the GPCs for spelling, so the grapheme, small grapheme cards for spelling the word k, a, n. And that's it. That's everything I need to teach this lesson.